Hello everyone, how are you? Now it's time for mathematics. Today we are starting our new topic, still about measurements, but today we have to look at other kind of measurements. And these measurements are liters and milliliters. Liters and milliliters. Now, so the capacity of a container tells us how much it can hold. The standard unit for capacity is the liter. Now, in a container, you can fill the liquid substances. So the liquid substances, they are measured in liters. Liquid substances are measured in liters. Now, so when the liquid substances are not yet to be a liter, they will be known as milliliters. If the liquid substances are not yet to be a liter, they are known as milliliters. Now, so it means milliliters, they build up to make a liter, which means small amounts of liquids, if we combine them, they will reach up to the point of making liters. Now, so for example, if you want to write a liter, you just write L. If you want to write milliliters, you write ML. ML means milliliters, while L means liters. So, in 1 liter, in 1 liter, there are 1000 milliliters. It means if you have 1000 milliliters, it means that one will be just like 1 liter. Now, so if you can see there, this means that 500 milliliters is a half liter. So a half liter is a 500 milliliters, because 1000 milliliters make 1 liter. Therefore, this also means that a quarter liter is 250 mils. 250 mils is a quarter liter. So it means 250 mils is a quarter liter. 500 mils is a half liter. If you can see here, like this cup is 250 mils. This one is quarter liter, and 500 milliliters is actually a half liter, and the 1 liter will have 1000 milliliters. Now, so it means if you have been given milliliters, to convert them to liters, you have to divide them by 1000. For example, if you have been given 2000 milliliters, they can say how many liters are there. It means you say 2000 divided by 1000. Therefore, it means it will be 2 liters. I'm saying once again, if you have milliliters, to convert them to liters, it means those milliliters, divide them by 1000. That's it. Now, so if you have been given liters, to convert them to milliliters, you have to multiply them by 1000. For example, if you have 3 liters, they can say how many milliliters are there. It means you say 3 times 1000. It will be 3000 milliliters, because in 1 liter there are 1000 milliliters. This is how we do with this kind of multiplication. Now, I'm telling you that you can change milliliters to liters by dividing them by 1000, and you can change liters to milliliters by multiplying them by 1000. If you have 20 mils, they can ask you how many liters are there. It means you say 20 divided by 1000, of which it will give you 0.000 something here. You see? It will be 0.000 0 something there up to you see it will be 0.00 something. You see, because there will be, it means you are converting them to liters. If you have been given I'm saying if you have been given liters to milliliters, it means you have to change, you have to convert them by multiplying them. So then if you have been given 20 milliliters divided by 1000, you now, because you want them to change to liters, 20 milliliters to convert them to liters, you say 20 milliliters divided by 1000, because in 1 liter there are 1000 milliliters. So you say 1000 into 20 is 0. It can't, you put 0. You add 0 to the 20, then you put point at 0. It's like now you have 200. 1000 into 200, it can't, it's 0. You add another 0, now it is like 200. Then 1000 into 2000, it is what now? 2, which is now what? Liters. Therefore, if you have been given 20 milliliters to convert them to liters, you have 0.02 liters. This is how we do. Once again, another example. If you have been given, let's say for example, 250 mils to change them to liters, you say 250 mils divided by 1000. So 1000 into 250, it can't, you put 0. Then you write 0, you put point, you add 0 to 250. Therefore, it is like 2500. Then you say 1000 into 2500, you say 2, remainder 500. Then 1000 it can't go into 500, you add 0 to 500, which is 5000. Then 1000 into 5000, it will be 5. So it will be 0.25. If you want to change 250 mils into into liters, this is how you do. Now, this is how you do. Thank you very much. This is how we change these things. So, thank you.